Hey, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
She's not so much of an elf today, but she's still here. And we're going to try taking the clamps off this lamp and see how it turned out. But first, it's snowing again. We had 1.5 inches of rain in the last 24 hours, and now it's snowing, with more on the way. Here is a miscreant who created the whole problem to begin with. This is Isa, our cat. She's a great cat, but sometimes she gets a wild hair up her and goes crazy. Now, Irene reminded me that the light didn't actually break on this lamp. Irene caught it. But still, the lamp broke. And as you can see, Isa wants to be in my lap. This is just not going to work. Okay, you got to go away. There you go. All right, so yesterday, early, we glued up this lamp. Now, I used construction adhesive. I'm not sure this construction adhesive is going to actually work because it's a solvent-based adhesive, which means that the solvent has to go out of the adhesive for it to actually stick. So, we're going to see if it worked. There's one clamp. And we'll see if this clamp bent the base. I don't think it did, but we'll find out here in just a second. Didn't bend the base at all. And the base did not stick. Well, that was a nice try, but it's a big fail. Now, one of the things that happened this afternoon is I'd planned to do this earlier. That is, take it apart earlier. But I had to go into town. And it was a little bit of a mess. If you've watched our channel for any length of time, you know that we live 3.5 miles down a dirt road than our driveway. And that dirt road gets muddy. It's actually 3.5 miles from the church, which is right at the break between the asphalt and the dirt road. Anyway, we're 3.5 miles down that road. And then we have about a half-mile driveway, a little more than a half mile. And when it rains, which it's been doing recently, it's also been snowing, it gets muddy. And it was several hours of going into town, doing the little bit of business I had to do there, which is primarily at the post office, and then come back. Along the way, I collected a bunch of souvenirs. The souvenirs were mud. You can always tell somebody who lives on a dirt road around here because you end up with mud on your jeans or your shorts or your shoes or whatever it is you're wearing going out. Well, thanks for watching. We'll try this another way. Hope you had a great day, a fabulous Christmas, and have a happy New Year. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.